When kids ask for a snake, parents think they're getting this. Give them something cool like a snake with a forked tongue. Instructions are coming up now. We're going to start by making 2 pinch twists in a row. Then we're going to make a 2-finger bubble, followed by a pinch twist, by a 4-finger bubble, and we're going to end with a pinch twist. We're going to reverse this process, and we're going to start off again with a pinch twist, long bubble, length of my hand, followed by a pinch twist, bubble, and that's going to be tied into the original 2 pinch twists. So when we're complete, it should look like an arrow. Now we're going to make the top of the head. I want to put a crimp or a fold in the balloon. I want to tie and measure and spin that into the mouth section, those original 2 pinch twists. Make a bubble for the bottom and twist that into the original 2 pinch twists. We're going to make a second bubble, fold that back. We're going to wind up breaking that bubble off, but we're going to twist that into the mouth to finish the bottom half. And there you go. That's the top of the snake's head. Now spiral twist the balloon, and what we're going to do is attach that to the original pinch twists. There you go. There's our snake. Take a scrap balloon, make 2 small bubbles, twist them together, and these are going to be used for the eyes. Now the tongue is a really simple process. All I did was puff a little air into a balloon, tie it, and then I cut off the nozzle end, and then I tied a knot in the other end. So I have 2 knots, so it's pointed on either side. I then take both, tie a knot together, so I just take them, tie a knot, folds in half perfect, and because there's that puff of air, it keeps it nice and rigid. Now when I take it and I insert it into the mouth, give it a little pull, and the tongue sticks out, so you get that little snake mouth. There you go. Make sure you subscribe. My name is Magical Balloon Dude Dale. Till next time, have a great day. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and never miss a video. Subscribe now. Click the little bell and always be notified of a live broadcast. Follow me on Instagram, and if you're a TikTok fan, you'll find me under the same name, Dale Obrochta. Looking forward to seeing you on social media.